It's freezing. See that? Hot wings, my favorite. Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm letting it air out so I don't get cancer. Get it going, and that should last a bit. It looks pretty good. That was really good. But I'm actually very thirsty right now. So yeah, check back with you in 1 hour. Yeah, for any of the bears watching, you're done if I catch you.
Mom, I'm kidding. That was just a joke. It's not a real gun. It's just a BB gun.
Hey guys, this is hour 4 of being in this tent. Got the fire going in the background. And this is so comfy. And just when I thought it was all perfect, everything was good, I forgot a pillow. Oh, that's actually really nice. Got a raging fire going on for the night. It's hour 6. And yeah, see you hour 7. It's warm enough right now for me that I don't have to wear any sweater or anything. It's actually very relaxing. Number one reason I love camping in the winter is there's no mosquitoes, not even a single one. It's the best feeling ever. Like, if you ever went camping, you know how annoying mosquitoes are. The fire's kind of dying, but whatever. It's alright. So, why not celebrate with the Switch? We don't talk about that. What's up, bitch? Hey, get back in the bitch. Stupid motherfucker. Hey guys, it's the next morning, and I got 0 sleep. This thing was moving all night, and I thought it was a bear outside, and kind of freaked out. But it got down to -10, and I'm in a t-shirt and this little sleeping bag that didn't work at all. I'm sleeping on the ground, which hurts like hell, and I got a pillow for my uncle, but it's flat as a pancake, and my back is hurting so bad. And my Switch died. So I'm gonna make a fire, eat some breakfast, and around 12 I'm gonna go back into the city, which I'm kind of happy for and kind of not. But yeah, see you guys. This is my last fire. My last fire here. So tired still. I slept horrible last night, and the smoke is still killing me. I'm gonna eat now and see you in the next hour. This is to me celebrating that I'm leaving today. That's a bunch of bobcat tails. Woo! This is another update. It's currently snowing right now. It's all snowed up. You can see it's falling on the car. Oh shoot, my Switch. My Switch. Oh no. All my stuff. Oh shoot. Look at my Switch. No. Oh, that's gonna suck. No, all my stuff is all wet. The pillows and Pikachu. My fire's just barely hanging on. There you go. Right on the ground. Round 2. Oh, shoot. The pillows. The pillows. Round 3. The tent. I'll just leave it there. The axe. Look at this. Here I am, out in a t-shirt. When I say this is winter camping, this is winter camping up north in Canada. If you don't have a fire, you're actually gonna die. Bring this axe inside. And round 4. I'm currently home in the city, and I'm gonna show you how much snow there was, like, just in the last night. If you can see that, that's a lot of snow. And if there wasn't any snowplows, it would have been a snow day today, but whatever. And yeah, I'm back home. Very tired. That's why I wasn't at school today. I sprained like my whole back because I fell out of a tree and I was chopping wood and being kind of careless. But yeah, I'm still very sore from all that stuff, but I'll be better by tomorrow. Drinking lots of water. Because I feel like I only had like 2 glasses of water the whole weekend. And I definitely got very bad sleep the night before, but I had very good sleep this night. So yeah, see you in the next video. Pikachu, 15 Ways to Kill Pikachu will be coming out tomorrow or the next day. I know I said Saturday, but I got caught up because I fell out of a tree, broke my back. Not really, but it just hurts a lot. I'll be fine though. Yeah.
Story time coming on my back being broken if you want it.